Want to hide photos on your iPhone so no one else can see them? Here's how to do it in seconds. Open the Photos app. Tap the three dots on top right-hand side. From the menu that opens, select Hide, scroll down, tap Hide, then Confirm. That photo is now hidden, but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in Settings. To view hidden photos, go to Albums, scroll down and tap Hidden. If needed, you can unlock it with Face ID, and that's it. Your photos are now private. Please remember to subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Appreciated.